Is this thing on? Oh yeah, it is. Wait, where am I scrolling? Anyways, today we're gonna make a tutorial how to make my OC. How to make my OC. This little guy. This little guy. How I low-key look at your noodles after completing mine. I mean, I love noodles. Everyone loves noodles. If you don't like noodles, I will exterminate you. Oh, okay, so just record your video like always. Is this good? Yeah. Okay, so next, get the ice emoji. Any type of ice emoji except that weird, realistic one will work. So basically, just size him and put two flowers. And just to not be confused, the flower is at this location in the middle of the sunflower and this leaf. And then next, rotate it and then add it. Yay! And next, put a star. Don't get confused by the one without the spark. The one without the spark is my pet because I use it to not get confused. What am I doing? Next, put your star in this flower. Next, put this cookie right here. And this cookie is right about... Where's the cookie? Just click this emoji, this, and then you'll find it. And then next, the stars that you used earlier, put four of them and make them large. Next, rotate them like this. And then, boom, you have my IOC. Wait. What am I doing? So that's it for today, and bye. I hope you like my tutorial on how to make my character. Also, I had noodles for breakfast. Noodles! Oh wait, it's still recording.